Hamjambo, karibu sana to the Swahili classroom. Now, let's say you're new in Kenya and you need to shop some things to use during your stay. So what are you going to do? Teacher Millie here is going to give you all the Swahili phrases you need to use during your shopping. But before we get to that, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the class. If you've been here before, thank you so much for staying around and supporting our content. So let's go. Shopping is ununuzi. Ununuzi. When you're going for shopping in Kenya, you have to be prepared with specific modes of payment. And modes of payment, we say njia za kulipa. So the modes of payment, you might need a cash, which we say taslimu. You might need a check, although not in many places, which we say hundi. And the mostly used way is M-Pesa. M-Pesa is mobile cash. So to buy or to shop is nunua. So you might want to ask maybe where the market is, or the pharmacy, or the shop store, depending on what you want to buy. For example, if you want to know where the market is, you can ask soko ni wapi. Soko ni wapi. Soko is market. If you wanted to know where the boutique is, you might ask duka la mavazi ni wapi. Duka la mavazi ni wapi. Where is the chemist? Duka la dawa ni wapi. Duka la dawa ni wapi. Where is the shoe store? Duka la viatu ni wapi. Duka la viatu ni wapi. As you reach the place you want to do your shopping, you will meet a salesperson. A salesperson in Swahili is muuzaji. Muuzaji. And that will automatically make you the customer, who is mteja. Customer is mteja. So they'll tell you, karibu mteja. Welcome customer. And your response will be, asante. Thank you. The salesperson might ask you, unataka nini? Unataka nini? What do you want? Or they might ask, tukusaidie vipi? How may we help you? Tukusaidie vipi? And remember, you might decide to shop your things from the street vendor or from the supermarket. A street vendor in Swahili is muuzaji mtaani. Muuzaji mtaani. And the supermarket, we say duka kubwa. Duka kubwa. The shopkeeper is muuzaji or muuza duka. Shopkeeper. So after you notice what you want to buy, maybe the foods of which we talked about in our previous video. If you haven't watched, please click here on this card and see our video on Swahili food. Or you might want to buy fruits, of which you can also check it out in one of the videos that we did on fruits in Swahili. This will help you to be able to identify and point them out with their names. You might want to ask how much it costs. So you say, hii ni bei gani? Hii ni bei gani? Or hii ni pesa ngapi? Hii ni pesa ngapi? How much does this cost? So after they have told you the price, it might sound expensive or affordable. So when it is expensive, you say ni bei ghali. It's expensive. Ni bei ghali. If it is cheap, you say ni bei rahisi. Ni bei rahisi. It's cheap. And so, if it is expensive, you might actually want to ask for some discount. Because in Kenya, it's a free country. You ask for discount and you get. So, when asking for discount, you might say like this, tafadhali nipunguzie. Tafadhali nipunguzie. Please give me some discount. I only have this money. Nina hizi pesa pekee. Nina hizi pesa pekee. I only have this money. The salesperson might tell you, tafadhali ongeza zingine. Tafadhali ongeza zingine. Please add some more. And if you want to say, I don't have, you say, sina. Sina. I don't have. Sina. If it's a dress you want to shop, or a shirt, or some clothing, in Kenya you are allowed to try. So you will say, naweza jaribu. Can I try it on? Naweza ijaribu. Naweza ijaribu. Or they will tell you, unaweza pima. Unaweza pima. You can try it on. Yes, just to be sure that it actually fits you. And if it is nice, you can say, hii nguo ni nzuri. Hii nguo ni nzuri. This is a nice outfit. And after you have finished the payment and the salesperson is also contented, they might say, nitakuongezea hii. Nitakuongezea hii. I will give you this as a bonus. If you're learning something from this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Then you might need a receipt. So how do you ask for a receipt? Naomba unipe risiti. Naomba unipe risiti. Please give me a receipt. Then you might want to ask for your balance before you leave. So you say, nirejeshe change yangu. Nirejeshe change yangu. Get me my change. So after they serve you, they give you back your change. You might want to say, thank you. Asante. Asante. Nitarejea tena. I will come back again. Nitarejea tena. Then you say, kwaheri. Goodbye. Okay? You can check out some of our videos from here and here, the ones you missed out. Let's go and shop. Kwaheri.